Today we are drawing dolphins. We will need a drawing pad, markers of different colors and shades, the black and grays, the blues, the yellows and reds, and the greens. Now let's get started. Get the black marker. Position your marker 2/3 of the page and in the middle. Then draw a curve. Then a curved triangle. This is a dolphin's fin. Another curve. And the tail. The mouth. Another curve. The second fin. Another curve. And the bottom curve, which is the dolphin's tummy. And finally, the eye. Now let's draw the second dolphin behind the first one. Be sure not to draw over the first dolphin. Draw a curve, the first fin, and another curve, then the tail, the mouth, another curve. Now imagine the fin behind the first dolphin, and then the second dolphin's tummy, and of course the eye. And it's starting to take shape. Now let's get the light blue marker to draw the horizon. Measure down from the lowest point of the dolphin and move your hand to the left side of the page and start drawing the waves along the horizon. Now get the dark blue marker to start drawing the water splashes. Roughly measure where the dolphins jump from and draw some water droplets. Make sure the water droplets are of different sizes, with some stuck together while others are on their own. Splash, splash, splash. Now let's get the black marker, and we will now fill up the page to the left side of the dolphins. Let's draw some buildings. Let's add some little houses. Let's also add a Ferris wheel. And now to the right side of the dolphins. Let's add some trees. Maybe some small trees, some bigger ones, and a big one behind the small one. Now let's get the light blue marker again and start drawing the water, the ocean. Some waves here, some waves there. along the bottom of the page. Waves here. Another one here. And another one here. Now let's add in a second line of waves along the first line that we've just drawn. And a third line of waves with a darker shade of blue marker. And another one. And one last line of waves with a darker shade of blue marker that we have. Let's use the same darker shade of blue marker to draw some clouds in the sky. And with the yellow marker, we'll draw in the sun. And now back to our buildings. Let's get the gray marker and add in some windows. I think it's time to start coloring in the drawing. Let's start from the top left hand corner, coloring in the sun with a yellow marker. And let's get the light blue marker to color in the clouds. Let's move on to the dolphins with a gray marker. And the second dolphin. And some light green marker for the trees. Now we're going to draw some hatching to add some definition to the drawing. Let's start with the clouds, get a darker shade of blue marker, and start hatching along the bottom of the clouds. Now get the darker shade of blue marker and hatch about halfway of the previous hatch that we did. Now let's do the same with the sun with a darker yellow marker, an orange, and some red too. And don't forget the sun rays. And now let's get the darker shade of green for hatching of the trees. And another one with a darker shade of green that we have. And let's also do the same with the dolphins with a dark gray marker. Hatch along the edge of the dolphin's body, the fin, and also the tail. The same with the second dolphin. And a little bit of black marker too along the edges. And now with a light gray marker, we'll add definition to the bottom of the dolphin's tummy. And then let's color in the water splashes. We'll also add some definition to the splashes by adding a shade of darker blue to the side of the droplets. And our drawing is complete! We hope you enjoyed drawing with us. See you next time.